Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. And lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. Set of details is not displayed on the screen, which may interest many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Except major because unreserved the right temporary food and prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. 2 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various terms and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will